This presentation shows the FRMSWB formaldehyde swab detector and demonstrates how to use it. The formaldehyde swab detector was invented by Appealing Products Incorporated. API has a patent pending on the technology. In the demonstration, I shall use two samples of commercially bought fish, one with formaldehyde and one without formaldehyde. The FRMSWB 04 detector will not change colors when testing fish with no formaldehyde, but will change color when testing fish that was treated with formaldehyde or formalin. Treating food with formaldehyde is used in many countries to extend shelf life and preserve meats, fish, and other seafoods, as well as fruits and vegetables. However, formaldehyde is also a known carcinogen. According to Title 21, Volume 3 of the Food and Drugs Administration, the FDA, intentionally adding any amount of formaldehyde to any food is forbidden by law. Testing foods with the FRMSWB detector does not damage or harm food being tested. Therefore, the food can be consumed after testing if the test results show no formaldehyde present. Please note the swab detector was designed to detect low concentrations of formaldehyde in the food sample. The detector can detect concentrations in a food sample between 0 and 250 parts per million. This is the range of concentration retained in food. If you try to test concentrated solutions of formaldehyde or solutions of formalin, the detector will not detect formaldehyde. Any solution sold as formalin will have a higher concentration, therefore will show no formaldehyde present. Testing for the presence of formaldehyde can be completed in less than 3 minutes. API's swab detector was tested by the FDA and found to perform as well as conventional methods used by the FDA. The work was published in February. To test the sample of fish for the presence of formaldehyde using the FRMSWB formaldehyde swab detector, please follow these steps. Please note, allow the sample to thaw completely before conducting the test. Then place the sample on a flat surface. Right before conducting the test, take out the reagent dropper bottle and a detector from the package. Seal any unused detectors back in the package it came with. Next, take out the detector and swab the sample with the side labeled swab touching the sample. Swab the surface several times to incorporate fluid from a surface into the detector. Place the detector on a flat surface with the side labeled swab and with the opening facing up. Place 3 to 4 drops from the reagent dropper provided on the square opening and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Please note the test must be conducted using a thawed sample with some liquids on its surface. If the sample is frozen, place it in a bag and let it thaw at room temperature. Note that when formaldehyde is present, a purple color will form in 30 to 60 seconds. Also note that the FRMSWB swab detector was designed to detect low concentrations of formaldehyde in food samples. The detector can detect concentrations of between 0 and 250 parts per million of formaldehyde in a sample. This concentration is the range retained in food. Also, if you try to test concentrated solutions of formaldehyde or solutions of formalin, the detector will not detect formaldehyde. Next, turn the detector over to its other side. If a pink or purple color is present, then formaldehyde is present in the fish. If a yellow color is present, then formaldehyde is not present. If the test is positive, meaning a pink or purple color formed, you should record the type of sample, the date, where the sample was purchased, and if you have a camera, take a picture of the detector. Thank you for your attention to this video. For more information regarding the FRMSWB formaldehyde swab detector, please visit www.chemc.com or formaldehydetests.com.